Have you ever noticed how numbers seem to follow hidden rules? What if I told you that numbers have patterns, and once you spot them, math becomes way easier? Let's break it down. A number pattern is a sequence of numbers that follows a rule. This rule tells us how to get from one number to the next. Let's start with the simplest patterns and slowly work our way up. Adding and subtracting. Look at this sequence. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Each time, the number increases by 3. So the rule here is add 3. Now look at this one. 20, 18, 16, 14. So the rule here is subtract 2. Here is a quick tip if you need help finding out which number is next in a pattern. When you're stuck, always check the difference between numbers first. Adding and subtracting patterns are the most common and the easiest to spot. Not all patterns are just addition and subtraction. You can also multiply and divide to find a pattern. For example, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the rule is each number is multiplied by 2. Another example, 81, 27, 9, 3. So the rule here is divide by 3 each time. If numbers grow very fast or shrink quickly, multiplication or division is usually involved. Growing differences. Now let's look at a slightly trickier pattern. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. At first, it doesn't look obvious. But let's check the differences. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. The amount we add increases each time. This is called a growing pattern. How to identify any pattern? When trying to find a pattern, ask yourself, 1, are we adding or subtracting? 2, are we multiplying or dividing? 3, do the differences chain? 4, is the rule repeating or alternating? All right, everyone, it's quiz time. I'll show you a few number patterns. Pause the video if you need time to think, and see if you can guess the next number in each sequence. Let's test your pattern spotting skills. If this video helped you understand number patterns, hit the like button. Subscribe for more simple math explanations, and comment what topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and keep spotting those patterns.